मेंटल हेल्थ की अभी बात कर रहे थे, तो व्हाट डू यू थिंक कि जॉइंट फैमिली सिस्टम बेहतर है या न्यूक्लियर फैमिली सिस्टम?
The pampering we get back home
इज अ ब्लेसिंग।
is a blessing.
या
But also, when I look at my kids now, the concept of nuclear family, I absolutely love it. I am the source of their information. They can't get information from anywhere else. I provide them with whatever, or their dad does whatever they need. Like the parents become your shield,
लाइक अ पेरेंटिंग बेसिकली।
a parenting shield. Whereas in Pakistan, that boundary is a lot blur. People will tell your kids whatever they want to. You can't actually put a shield there. And it's very, very hard. I think that a lot of times back home, हम उन systems में help नहीं करते, हम सिर्फ interfere करते हैं. Joint family system could be very helpful if we show up as a village. But we don't show up as a village. We show up as just to tell the mom that she's not good enough. And that's not helpful. We just show up to tell her what to do, what not to do. And that's not helpful. We just show up to find the gaps between spouses. And that's not fair. I think nuclear family system helps mom to have that space where she can make her own boundary.
एंड दे कैन ग्रो टुगेदर।
They can grow together. और पता है it's a very delicate relationship. जब आपके पास एक newborn baby आता है ना, your relationship with your partner takes a 360-degree turn. So I think nuclear families give you that space to grow together. But having a village is helpful. So I think it's a balance. If you have a supportive family around you, it's a blessing. But unfortunately, if you pick up the stories from back home, many don't have that support. But if we talk about living in a joint family or growing your kids in a joint family or in a separate culture, मेरी अम्मी हमेशा एक बात करती हैं कि सायादार दरख्त के नीचे ना कभी पौधे नहीं उगते. And I love this, that you can't, unless you give somebody the space, they can't grow. You need to give them their own space. You need to give them their own paradise, that they can grow their own way. So I truly believe in nuclear systems, and I think that's what our religion promotes as well. There is no concept of joint families in our religion either.